Hello everybody and welcome to Colorful Threads, and this is going to be my first journal that I have listed on my website that I've made from hand or from scratch by hand through the entire process. So this is a hand embroidered piece of fabric here that goes all the way around, and it even continues on the inside cover here. To cover the center here, I just pulled out some book pages and some writing and covered everything down nice here. Page number 1 has a zipper pocket which reveals a small, thin, skinny notepad for making a list. So most of the pages are cardstock, and all of the little embellishments I've sewn on. So this is when I was doing a lot of ribbon, and I think this is actually a seam tape here. Construction paper. This is a big doily, and so inside the doily I actually have a little notepad that I made here with a handmade brad button. Smaller page, a little child's nursery rhyme. The center of this page has a big piece of fabric that has been glued in. More trim. An old antique, I think it's from the 80s. Little word puzzle. Same, this is the other side of those pages. This one has a little poem. This page has a little Life's a Little Instruction book that I put in here. So it's just got some good little things in there as you're going through, not sacrificing any writing space. The cardstock is nice and thick, so you're able to glue or staple or tape in anything that you would add to the journal. Some coloring space, another little spot for a notepad. Extra writing space here, this page, to compensate for the moon on that side. Tabs for this one, maybe a tuck spot for a receipt. This one has a bonus writing space that is a whole flip out envelope sheet. Little decorative trim on here. Birthday card, writing space. A little tuck spot with a $100 inheritance. The other side of the moon, another pocket with a little notepad for writing. This page just has some decorative stitching and some little accents in the corner. This one has a decorative piece attached. More writing space, large index cards. This is a page out of an antique word dictionary in Japan. Some more decorative stuff on the side. This is a page out of an antique 1973 crochet book, just to add a little bit of interest. Some more lace. Little inspiration card. Other side of that 1973 book. Some more lace. This is a pocket that I made out of some book pages and added some writing space in there. More writing space, another beautiful card. Tuck spot with an index card with a little writing space. This one sewing with that piece of decoration. This one just has a little decoration, some lace, added pages. This one folds down to write on. Some more ribbon down the side, decorative stitching down this one. Oh, this is from a dessert recipe book. Another decorative piece of paper. Here's the recipes from that recipe book. Added pages to write on. There's 3 or 4 pages here. Some more decorative trim on this page. This one is a book page from Tom Sawyer from 1930s, this page. So I had to decoupage it down to save the paper from falling apart. Another greeting card and a writing space. Just some decorative papers with some more decorations down the side. This one is a pocket with a little notepad here. Some fuzzy rickrack. This pocket has another little notepad with some decorative space there. This was an envelope. It has a little notepad in it here. Some more decorative trim, soft and fuzzies, some rickracks, fuzzy rickrack. Little address page from an address book in here. This was a piece of wrapping paper envelope that we got some wrapping paper shipped in. That was Disney, so I put that in here, and that's a nice writing space in the middle. More lace, another tab long. This one has a little tuck piece of ephemera in it. This is the other side of that envelope with writing space. Another little pocket with some tuck spots. Little card that I made into a writing space. Another little notepad here with some different decorations on it in this pocket and the back. I hope you enjoy my journal. It is listed in the website down below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.